Oinsa mabele prense kuis online e-learning ISS. Mai ita akompanya hamutuk. Lokelin ida nebe manda ona mai ita nia WhatsApp. Lokelin e-learning ida ne atu tamaba iha pagina portal ISS nian. Wain hira hanehan tialin. E-learning. Sei mosu pagina portal ISS hanesan idane. Iha opsaun idane. Ita tengke hili fatin ke anasaun nebe fatin kompania ISS ita serbi suban. ISS iha nasaun barak inklui Indonesia. Hanehan no hili nasaun no fatin ISS ita iha ba. Iha nasaun barak mak iha opsaun idane. Hanehan butaun iha soring kuana. Hatun no hasai no hodi hili. Iha opsaun idane ita hili ISS yuke. Depois tuir mai ita hanehan dan. Tuir mai ita hanehan butaun learning login. Agora mosu janela sign in. Prense ita nia username ho password nebe ita hetan husi kompania ISS. Username ho password ema ida nian lahanesan. Kari kita sedau hetan ita nia username ho password bele halo konfirmasaun ho ita nia supervisor o manager atau nune sira bele kria username ho password evoba ita. Prense ita nia username ho password ihane. Tuir mai hanehan butaun sign in. Agora ita tama ona iha janela portal website ISS nian. Hanehan akon lina tolu iha soring karuk leten ho hili opsaun tuir mai. Hanehan icon learning. Tuir mai hanehan icon plan. Atu tama bahar kuis online sira iha janela portal idane. Nemak materia kuis online sira iha portal idane. Ita hare. Iha materia kuis barak mak ihane. Ita hare iha lina balukor. Mean. Balu mutin. Balu ajul. Lina mean signifika kata kuis ene ita halo ona ma ibe ita lapasa. Lina mutin signifika kata kuis ne ita sedau komesa. Lina ajul signifika kata kuis ne ita halo ona no kompleta ona no ita pasa ona. Tuir ma ita hili kuis ida tamaba atu halo kuis. Ejemplo ihane ita hili kuis. Working practice. Hanehan working practice atau ita tama hodi komesa tama iha ita nia kuis. Ihane ita hari iha butaun resum kurs. Iha ene iha butaun resum kurs. Ne signifika kata kursu ne antes ne ita halo ona. Ma ibe kursu sedau halo karik ita voin ma permeira bes halo antau laiha butaun resum kurs ma ibe iha butaun hakerek begin kurs. Laos resum kurs. Hanehan butaun resum kurs ou begin kurs mak iha hodi komesa ita nia kuis. Depois ita hanean butaun resum kurs ou bikin kurs agora ita tama ona iha janela kuis nian. Muda pagina sa ibaleten hodi komesa itania kursu. Iha janela kuis ida ne ita hare. Iha video. Hanehan butaun play hodi hare explicação konaba ISS nia serviço. Rona no hanoin hetan saida makoalia iha video idane. Usi explicação sira iha video ene mak orsida ita uja atu tuir ita nia ijami.
Let's start with some of the basic things you need to know to ensure your working time is recorded and paid correctly. When your shift starts, you should sign or clock in as close to your scheduled shift start time as possible. And the same applies for when your shift finishes. Where your role requires you to change into and out of uniform or PPE on site, or to prepare equipment, the time spent on these activities will be paid. These activities should be completed after you clock or sign in to start your shift, or before you clock or sign out at the end. If you are asked to start work earlier, or finish later than originally scheduled, this will be paid as overtime. Unless it is an emergency, you should always ensure that you have authorization from your supervisor or manager in advance before working overtime. In an emergency situation, such as a last-minute client request or unexpected incident, you should let your manager know as soon as possible so that the overtime can be approved for payment as appropriate. You should never clock or sign in, or out, for someone else, even if they ask you really nicely. Finally, we understand that there are unexpected occasions where overtime can't always be approved in advance, so we've prepared some notes below this video to guide you. Right, that covers the main points regarding starting and finishing work, and recording overtime. After reviewing the notes below, we'll move on to shift handovers.
Depois ita hare no rona tia video liuba. Agora ita continua tan ita nia kuis. Muda pagina sa ibaleten atu continua. Muda image berdeba soring karuk tu ohetan butaun continue depois hanehan butaun continue atu continua. Tuirtan mai. Agora ihatan video. Hare no rona di dia. Hanehan butaun play atu hare video.
When finishing your shift, if there's any information that your colleagues need to know, this should be recorded in writing, and stored in a designated area for them to find when they arrive to start work. Occasionally, shift handovers need to be conducted in person. For example, following an unexpected event, or significant announcement. When this is the case, the handover should take place during scheduled shift time, or be recorded as overtime following approval from a line manager or supervisor.
Depois hare video. Tuir mai muda pagina baleten tu ohetan butaun continue. Agora hanehan butaun continue atu continua itania kuis. Tuir mai ihatan video. Hanehan butaun play iha video. Hare. No rona. Explicação iha video.
Keeping your skills sharp with regular training is an essential part of any role, and helps us to always be at our best. So when you need to undertake training for your role, whether in a classroom or online, this time will be paid. And if you complete training outside of your shift times, including mandatory e-learning, you will be paid for the expected duration of the course. If the training takes you longer to complete than the expected course duration, be sure to speak to your supervisor or line manager, so that additional payment can be authorized as appropriate. If you have to travel from your usual work location to attend training, this is also paid time. Finally, if you work as a security officer, we have some additional things you need to know about training and licensing payments in the notes below.
Depois Haretia Video. Agora Muda Pagina Baleten. Agora Muda Imaje Basoring Karo. Tuo ita hetan butaun kontinue. Agora hanehan butaun kontinue atau kontinua. Depois tuir mai muda pagina baleten. Hanehan imaje ida ba ida hodi loke teks tu iha imaje. Tuir mai dudu sae pagina. Depois hanehan butaun kontinue hodi kontinua. Tuir mai ihatan video. Hanehan butaun play iha video. Hodi rona explicação iha video. Hare. No rona di dia.
Keeping a smart and professional appearance tells everyone around us that we're proud of who we are and what we do. Where your role requires you to wear clothing of a particular style, color or specification, such as for safety protection, this will be provided as uniform. If your role doesn't require you to wear a specific uniform, you must make sure you adhere to the professional business wear guidance set out in our dress code policy, a copy of which is available from your management team.
Depois Haretia Video. Tuir mai muda pagina baleten. Agora hanehan butaun kontinue atau kontinua. Muda pagina baleten. Tuir mai hanehan butaun kontinue. Atau kontinua. Too iha ene itan ia kursu ramata ona. Tuir mai. Ita preparaan atu tama ba iha ijami. Atu komesa tama ba ijami. Hanehan. Star assessment. Agora ita iha ona pagina ijaminian. Numero ijami iha walu. Lei di dia. Antes hili resposta. Karik iha liafuan balula comprende lo que Google Translate hodi tradus. Depois hili resposta hanehan butaun submit. Hili tia resposta. Tuir mai hanehan butaon. Submit. Depois hili resposta. Hanehan butaon. Submit. Mosu teks. Korek. Ne significa katak ita nia resposta. Los. Mai be karik mosu teks. Incorrect. Ne significa katak ita nia resposta la los. Depois tuir mai hanehan butaon. Next. Atu continua. Halo hanesan nafatin tu o numero ija mi walu ramata. ita pasa iha ija mise imosu iha janela hakerek. Pas eskor. Tuir mai hanehan butaon. Exit course. Agora ita vila bajanela. Materia kursu hotu nebe mak iha. Ita hari ita nia kursu. Working practice. Agora kor ajul tia ona. Ne signifika kata ita pasa ona iha ija mi working practice. Agora hanehan materia working practice atu ba download sai ita nia sertifikado. Atu download sai ita nia sertifikado. Hanehan download. Nemat ita nia sertifikado nebe ita hetan husi ita nia resultado. Ijame.